Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, in this video I'm going to learn how to write in calligraphy. So if you don't know what calligraphy is, I have some pictures on the screen so you can see what I'm going with this. So it's basically hand lettering, which is very pretty, very curvy, very beautiful. And so I'm going to challenge myself and try to learn that in a week. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I'm not sure how long it takes to achieve that good handwriting. And I just hope to learn it in a week, but you know, I'm going to practice every day. So I'm going to film it every day. Every day I'm going to try to learn something new. So I'm going to start off by learning the brush strokes. So like going up and down and then just connecting everything. Writing the alphabet, you know, all the basics. So I plan on teaching myself from YouTube and from the internet. So I don't have anyone showing this to me. So I just want to see how far I can get just with tutorials on the internet. Well, I think it's gonna take a long while to edit this video also because boy, I'm going to film 7 days straight. Oh, that's going to be a challenge also. But I hope this video turns out alright and I hope you like it. And let's see if I can learn calligraphy in a week. So let's get on to the video. So, today is day 2 of me trying to learn calligraphy in a week. Yesterday I learned all the basics, I guess, from YouTube, and today I'm going to practice a lot, so I'm going to print out some practice sheets from Pinterest and we're gonna see how that goes. I just want to learn how to do all the brush strokes and so it feels more natural, and we're gonna see how that goes, so yeah. Today is day 3 of me trying to learn calligraphy, and as you can see I'm almost asleep because it's 12 AM and I procrastinated the whole day. But now I have to film because I promised myself that I'm going to film this video. So today's mission is I'm going to recreate everything I did yesterday. That means I'm going to draw it, but without the guidelines, so I can get a hang of the style. And yeah. See you in a second. Welcome back, guys. This is day 4 and guess what? I didn't procrastinate this time. Well, I did a little bit, but it's not midnight, bro. It's not midnight yet. See? You see? It's not midnight yet, so mission accomplished. Video finished. No, I'm just kidding. So this is day 4 and the past 3 days I've been working on my calligraphy. I mean, like brush lettering, calligraphy, or whatever you want to call it. So now it's time to level up, and this time I'm going to draw or write on a chalkboard. So this time I'm going to draw on a chalkboard, and I have received this chalkboard also from Chocola, and let me show you what it looks like. So this is the chalkboard. It's just this cute little stand thing. You know, all these like cute little coffee shops with like, yeah, get 1 coffee and 50% off. Yeah, that kind of chalkboard. So you can make it fancy, you can make it cute, you can make it whatever. And it also comes with this pen. But fortunately, I also have a whole pack of watercolors to use. So here are the 30 color ones, which I'm going to be using today. Now today, as I did it in day 1, I'm going to look up some YouTube videos on how to draw on a chalkboard, because YouTube is my main, it's my teacher basically. So you're going to see what I'm going to do today. I'm going to film everything just as the other days, and we're going to see how that turns out. So stay tuned. Alright, that's it for the video. I learned calligraphy in 7 days. What do you think? Write a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.